We on 2%. Shit, we about to run out of electricity, y'all. But we good. We at the charging station. And while we charge, we finna hit the gym, my favorite place, and get the money. Look at the mountains, y'all. We in North Fontana. That's where I was, you know, came up at, my stomping grounds. Every day before we get in this truck, we do our workouts. 6-7 days a week I'm up here. You know, everybody be thinking I'm overworked at the ports and I go over my clock. The reason why I'm always tired, because before I start my shift, I come to this damn gym, I work out, lift weights for an hour, and I do an hour on the treadmill. You know, this is my second home. This is how I was able to lose 63 pounds last year, being at this damn gym. Now that I lost the weight, trying to get some muscle and get my little six-pack cracking for the summer. You know, health is wealth. Without good health, we ain't even gonna be able to be in these trucks, y'all. You know, you see a lot of unhealthy ass truck drivers. And shit's sad. You go to the truck stops and you see these guys barely walking, barely getting in and out of the truck. We don't want to be like that. You know, we want to be healthy drivers. You know, anybody need help losing weight, tips on working out, diet, whatever y'all need, make sure y'all hit me up on Instagram, DM me, and I help y'all out. Comment section, I'll help y'all out. Let's get this workout in. Leg day ain't no joke, y'all, but it's good for building your testosterone. So it's one of the most important workouts. All right, y'all, so we doing 5 sets of 8, and every time we start a new set, we gotta add more weight. Easy work. That shit was heavy. Heavy as a motherfucker. That was my last set. I ain't finna kill myself today. 3 was enough. 225 pounds is good. My car should be done charging right now. We already been here an hour. I wasn't able to get as much work as I wanted to today. This is a bad time to come. I got here a little late. Everybody just on the damn machines, talking on the phone and texting instead of working out. So now I'm finna move this car and we gonna hop on the treadmill for an hour, get in the steam room, and then we gonna go to the house and get ready for work. We're good to go. The good thing is, you know, I get to come here, charge real quick, work out. Seems like my days are so damn long because I try to use every damn hour in the day to be productive. You know, on the weekends I do rest, but sometimes I do go out and have some fun. And summer's right around the corner, y'all. Y'all better get in this gym with me so we can hit these gains. Let's go finish getting this work. We're just doing steady cardio for an hour, 2 miles an hour. Sometimes, you know, I put the incline on 10, burn more calories. When I'm really in the mood, I do run, but most of the time, for a whole year, me losing my weight, all I've been doing is just walking. You ain't gotta run to lose no weight. You know, you eat healthy, you walk 35 minutes to an hour a day, you're good. You eat less, move around more, get rid of your junk food, no fast food, no candy, no chips, no juices, no sodas, no pizza, no burgers. Just cut that junk out and watch how your body start changing, and you're gonna lose a gang of weight. All right, y'all, so we just left the gym. I gotta go stop at the vitamin shop, get some protein powder, cause your boy done ran out. Protein been helping me get my little muscles right, you know, so that's what we about to do. All right, y'all, so we got the Ghost protein with the little Oreo chunks in it, love it. Got my pre-workout Oxy Shred. I ain't been taking no pre-workout, but now I'm about to start taking it. Summer's around the corner, so we're gonna turn up the workouts a little bit, go a little harder. I didn't get to work out as much as I wanted to today with my legs, cause all the damn machines, you know, they was taken, and you know, people, they don't respect the gym. Like, if you want to text, get your ass on the treadmill and go text. You feel me? You ain't got to be texting. Like, I was waiting on the machine. This lady was just texting the whole damn time. Like, I was working out on the other machine. She was there for like 10 minutes, just looking at her phone, not moving the equipment, nothing. And a few guys are doing the same thing too. You know, I'm already running behind today. I got a late start, but it's all good. We gonna shoot to the crib, you know, shower real quick. We already got our lunch ready, then we out. All right, y'all, so we about to eat us some chicken breast salad, protein shake. You know, I like to keep my life real simple. Gotta have a banana. Scoop of peanut butter. And my ghost protein, hey listen, this is my favorite protein. Let me show y'all. I like how they got this in here like that. So you don't have to dig in there, you know. Put that joint back in there like that. Thing for a few minutes. And just like that, y'all. I keep my life super simple Monday through Friday. Cause I got a long ass work night. And this is fire too. Cheers. And this our lunch protein shake. This is probably about 400 calories right here. And this right here probably like 150 calories, and we good. We gotta stay around 1,800 calories a day so we can lose weight. You know, it's real simple, y'all. Eat less, move around more, y'all be good. I'll tap in with y'all when it's time to head into work. Let's get this money. So we headed to work right now, y'all. Stuck in a little bit of traffic. Having a long ass day. But it's all good, you know. 4:42. Gotta be at work in 18 minutes. Probably ain't gonna happen. It's all good, you know. This is the day in the life of a poor truck driver. You know, a lot of people be wondering, can you live a normal life being a truck driver? You could. You know, we do the normal things that everybody else does, especially if you local. OTR guys might live a different kind of lifestyle, but you know, I like to be able to handle business during the day before I go to work and everything, all that good stuff. We almost there, y'all. All right, y'all. So we at work. We in the rig. I guess we got a bobtail to Evergreen, get a chassis, then pick up a load. So it's probably gonna be an easy ass day. It's warm too. I got my sweatsuit on. But I'm getting prepared because, you know, later on, it's probably going to be crazy as hell. Super cold. But we're going to chill out for like 15 minutes, then hit this freeway. All right, y'all. So we heading to the Porsche right now. About to be stuck in traffic. But it's all good, though. You know, I don't mind being in traffic and waiting at the Porsche. It gives me an extra couple hours during my day. It just sucks when you're in your own truck because you want to get these loads done as fast as possible. It don't look like it's nobody on the freeway today. That's how I like it, y'all. Nobody on the freeway. Laid back. That's how it should be. I was wrong, y'all. We getting hit with the traffic. This is gonna be fun. We just missed the accident, y'all. 1 car, 2 car, 3 car, 4 car, 1 tractor, 5 cars, 6 car. You gotta be careful out here, y'all. We got some action, y'all. I don't know what's going on. Probably an accident or something. See the other car. Alright, y'all, so we almost to the ports. We should be there like in 5 minutes. Just coming from over the bridge. Alright, y'all, so we just gonna kick it here for about an hour until we can go inside for our appointment. Hopefully, and it's dead, so we shouldn't be here all night. We're gonna be in and out. Alright, y'all, so we about to go check in the ports. And then we gotta go find a chassis and grab our load. Alright, y'all, so we inside. We got in with no problem. So for those that are familiar with the ports, we at Evergreen. So the time is 8:07. We're gonna see how fast we can get up out of here. There's nobody at the damn ports tonight. So now we gotta just go find a chassis. Always remember, when y'all come to Evergreen, the chassis are just follow the bridge. You know, just look for the bridge, you're gonna find the chassis, y'all. That's the easiest way I can explain it to y'all. You know, I don't know if you guys can see in the camera, but from my view, I can see the bridge. You know, like, you gotta come inside. A better way to do it is you come inside the ports and you try to go back towards the freeway. And the bridge is right in front of us right here. And if you still can't figure it out, y'all, always ask drivers. They will help you. These freaking roads are ass. Man. Might be getting off early today because it does look super damn slow. And we in the game. as y'all can see, here's the bridge. I always look for the bridge. Do a quick little walk around, make sure our chassis is good. Man, I had nightmares coming here back in the day, man. I remember coming here during the chassis shortage, and they wasn't giving the drivers chassis. No lie, this whole little area we at be full of bobtails. You will be waiting over 8 hours sometimes to get a chassis. Sometimes they will have us wait, and they'll kick everybody out of the ports because they're not releasing chassis to the drivers. They only wanted the union workers to have the chassis, which is bullshit. And if you was an owner-operator, of course, you was pissed off because, like, luckily for me, I had a company, you know, that paid me 50 bucks an hour for waiting time. So you get $100 for the dry run on top of the 8 hours times 50. So you get a couple of dollars for waiting up here, but it will mess you up for your other load too. So you won't be able to do your full round trip, your 2 round trips, you know. But you were still able to, if you know how to maneuver when it comes to this trucking game, and you know how to make moves and all that good stuff, I promise y'all, you can make money with your own truck. But you just gotta have common sense, and you gotta have great critical thinking skills, you know. And you gotta be able to negotiate with these people too. I don't know how it is now, but the rates are still super low. Super low, super low. Like once I get on the low board, and I start seeing $500 round trips from Fontana to the ports, then it's time to get a truck. But right now, you don't see none of that shit. I mean, you don't see none of that. Which is crazy. So look, 3 jobs available. Ontario to the ports to Fullerton, $266. Same shit. Navy Way, the ports, Fullerton, $141. This is what we dealing with the ports, y'all. Straight garbage. That's why I got out of the owner-operator business. Because, like, you gotta pit 150 to a round trip in fuel just to get to the Inland Empire, LA and back. So you put $150 in, and that load is $266. You only make $100 and couple dollar profit. Then if you get a flat tire, breakdown, you negative. It's not worth it. But now these guys, they have to take whatever they can possibly get to survive. But you know, no cheap freight. You know, if all the owner-ops stick together, put their foot down, stop taking the cheap freight, the rates would change. But I understand that that's kind of impossible for some guys because they gotta pay that, you know, that overhead, and they gonna have to take whatever they gotta take. You know, and it's not fair that, you know, the brokers and companies is getting rich off the drivers. Somebody in trucking is getting rich. Everybody but the drivers right now is getting rich. And we looking for E200. There's E. Oh, you know what? Alright. I gotta figure something out, y'all. Hurry up and go, lady. You know I want to make a U-turn. See, she could have slowed down and been nice to your boy while I go do my thing. So we at E238. So we a little further, so we gonna go to our spot. They need to fix these damn roads. All this money they making over here. Alright, we good. So now we just about to kick it until they come get us. Yes, sir.
There you go.
All right, thank you. Have a good one. All right, y'all, that easy, man. We got our can. We up out this joint. Look at the time. Less than 30 minutes in and out of the ports. This is how I like my day. Less than 30 minutes in and out of the ports. We good to go. We got the vessel in front of us. She'll go, sweetheart. Let's go. She was acting like she didn't know what to do. That's crazy how that ship crashed on that bridge. It's an unfortunate situation. Here's a famous spot right here. All the truckers usually stop right here and lock up the chassis pins. And that's what we're gonna do. Shit, I'm tired. I want to get off so early today. Come on, don't fight with me now. Okay. Damn, Chad. Oh, okay. There you go. Sometimes you gotta fight with these pins. The beautiful ports. I made a gang of videos about the ports, and a lot of my subscribers comment and ask me to make certain videos, go through my catalog and I guarantee you it's already a video on what you guys need. I don't mind making new videos for you guys if you guys need me to, but a lot of the stuff, you know, I've been going back and forth to the ports for a while, so I got tons of videos. Look at that. It looks so beautiful, the water. Good to go. Let's hit this freeway. See, these guys are unlocking the chassis pins here. And I'm finna just dip out. That's why I like stopping at that little spot. Y'all, let's roll. All right, y'all, so we just stepped up to the spot, or pulled up, not stepped up. We're gonna drop this off, and they probably don't have any empties. Most likely it's gonna be a wrap after this, because it's slow tonight. How you doing? Oh shit, let me write that number. What number do you need? What does it start with? 152. Alright y'all, so we gotta go drop this off, then let dispatch know what the deal is and figure out what's next. Most likely it's gonna be a wrap, but it's kinda early, but we'll see what's up. Alright y'all, so they got me on a wild goose chase for empty. I keep telling them there's no empties up here. All these containers on the right of us, they're all loaded, and all these is ours. They haven't unloaded them yet, so I'm just driving around so they can see on the camera that I'm looking, because you know they check the cameras and want to babysit us at times. But I done walked around, looked at everything, all the damn containers, the front, the back, all the containers got seals on them. Ain't no damn empties here, so they need to figure out what they got next. I'm taking my ass home. Alright y'all, I thought I was gonna get lucky and get off early, but nah, they not gonna let me off early today. So we gotta go bobtail back to G Street, and that's in Wilmington, and pick up a load out there because they don't have any empties. So we headed to the yard, y'all. Let's get it. All right, y'all. So we took our lunch. We picked up the load. Now we gotta take this damn load all the way to Moreno Valley, which I'm not too happy about. But it's like an hour and 15 minutes to get there. So we should probably be off of work like 2.5 hours, and it's 1 in the morning. So we'll be off by 3:30, home by 4. You know, then I gotta wake up. I got a few things to do tomorrow, so I gotta wake up like at 9, be at the gym by 10, be out of there by 12, go home, shower, be somewhere at 1. Then I gotta pick my son up at 3:30, drop him off back at the crib, then go back to work. it's like I'm never getting no sleep. But you know, the weekend is around the corner and I'm sleeping all weekend. And it's supposed to be raining again. I just don't understand where all the rain is coming from. It was a beautiful day today too. It was in the 70s, y'all. I was so damn happy. It was in the 70s. But you know, I'm thinking by, you know, by next month it's gonna be hot as hell, May. And it's gonna be fun outside, beach time, you know, going to the park, amusement parks, just having fun and enjoying life. That's what we're doing for the rest of the year. All right, y'all, so we just dropped and picked up an empty. It's 3 o'clock in the morning. We about 30 minutes away from the yard. So we finna check out real quick and hit this freeway. All right, y'all, so we're headed back to the yard. Got the empty. About to hit this freeway. Call it a night. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is what your boy does every day, Monday through Friday. Gym, run errands, I'm at work. Day in the life of a poor truck driver. Let's get to the money, y'all.